Hello, dreamers. It's coming to that point in the semester where classes are ending and it's time to submit final grades. So I wanted to show you what to do once you have completed all of your sessions, all work is turned in, all grades are turned in, you've double checked that all your session folders have your gradable and non-gradable items, all your student abilities have been dragged over. The final step to let Hannah and our system know that your class is ready to be closed out. And to do this, we're going to go to the gradebook. From here, we're going to click the wrench. We're going to go to final grades. Here, all you then need to do is click this bottom number, not bottom number, but bottom button that it says submit checked. And that will submit the final grade. You will also see a check mark come up next to the student's name. I can show you that now. Do I want to submit the final grade? Yes. Notice how there's now a check mark over here. That means the final grade has been submitted. Now, if you need to make changes, let's say they very quickly turned in an assignment that they redid and you want to update their grade, you can still do that as long as the course has not been closed out. Now, an important thing to know is that this needs to happen within 3 days of your final session. So not necessarily 3 days from session 25 or session 30, because you might have mastery sessions, but whatever your last session of the class is, within 3 days, your final grade needs to be submitted so that Hannah can do a final check and get it closed out within a week of the class finishing. If there's anything that needs to be fixed, you'll get an email back from Hannah saying, you need to fix this or this before it can be closed out. And then you'll do that very quickly and get it back to her so that she can do her part and get it closed out. Now, it may seem like a lot to do right at the end of the semester, particularly if you have final exams or papers that you're grading, but it really is important to get those grades in so that the campus itself can function efficiently. And also, if a student fails their final project and needs mastery sessions, you need to know that before they start their second semester of that course. So it's very important to get this all completed as soon as possible so that classes can get closed out and any emergency mastery sessions can get added on. Of course, if you have questions about how to do any of this, please feel free to come see me or talk to your DH or Hannah. Have a good afternoon.